How to heal your organs in just 5 minutes. Hello friends, I am Dr. Chetna, a doctor by profession and a certified energy healer. Today I will tell you how we can heal our organs in just 5 minutes with these 5 fingers. And I am from Heal Holistic Studio, where I want to heal you without any medicines, just by simple remedies. So these are the just 5 fingers, and your thumb is related with your heart. That's why I have written H over it. And your index finger is related to your stomach. I have written S over here. And your middle finger is related to any circulatory problem in your body with your, so I have written B over here, that is the blood. And your ring finger is related with your mind, so I have written M over here. And your little finger is related with your kidneys. So these are the 5 fingers. And if you have any problem in your heart, any high blood pressure, high cholesterol, what you have to do, just massage your thumb, right, left, up, down, with any oil, with your hands. Just pull it, just press the tip of it, press it hard. If there is any problem, you will feel pain. Just press it for 1-2 seconds and you will feel that problem is over. If any problem with the stomach, any bloating, any gas problem, or anything with your stomach, just press, massage this little finger, index finger, up, down, right, left, and just press the tip of it. So any bloating, any problem with the stomach will just vanish. And this is your middle finger. It is associated with any circulatory problem, anything related with your blood pressure, your high BP, your pain, joint pains, anything where circulation is not proper. So just massage this finger, up, down, right, left, 2-3 minutes. Just massage this and just press the tip of this finger. So you will see all the problems associated with this. It is gone. It is so simple. And now comes the ring finger. So it is associated with your mind. Sometimes you see that your mind is just, you say mood off ho gaya. If somebody gives you some negative comment, you're not wearing a good dress, your mood is off. You're going for a party, somebody is not praising you, suddenly your mood is off. So how to lift your mood in seconds? Just press this ring finger, up, down, just press this ring finger, press it, yeah, pull it, and just on the tip of it, just press it tightly. You will see your charge up and your mood is elevated. It's so simple. Yes? And now come to the little finger. Anything associated with even the small kidney stones, any problems with the urination, anything, any dysfunction in the kidney. So just massage this little finger, up, down, right, left, pull it and just press the tip of it. You will see all the small kidney stones, any problem with the urination, the frequent going to for urine, okay, any problem with the urine, with your kidneys, the dysfunction in the kidneys, by pressing just this little finger. So how simple it is that we are just healing these 5 organs, 5 major organs by just this simple remedy. So from the Heal Holistic Studio, I'm Dr. Chetna. I just want to make you medicine free. And by just doing these simple remedies, you can just be relaxed. Keep watching my upcoming videos with more such remedies. Thank you so much for watching.